Good morning, Ms. Wright. Why don't you come in and have a seat?
Good morning, Senator. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to meet with me.
I always enjoy speaking with my constituents. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Is this your first time in Washington, D.C.?
Yes, it is. What a beautiful city.
Yes. It is lovely, especially in the spring. How can I help you today?
I would like to speak to you about the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. You see, I have a disability and the CRPD is important to me and my friends.
I understand. I'll be candid with you, Ms. Wright. I'm not sure I will vote for ratification of the CRPD. I have concerns about it replacing current U.S. laws.
That would not happen.
The Supremacy Clause in Article 6 of our Constitution tells that if the CRPD Treaty were ratified by the Senate, the treaty would replace U.S. law on prohibition of discrimination on the basis of disability. It would replace the Americans with Disabilities Act.
That would not happen. The CRPD package the Senate ratifies would include reservations, understandings, and declarations that describe how the U.S. interprets the treaty under U.S. law. That interpretation would be the supreme law of the land. If you have concerns, Senator, we urge you to work with colleagues in a bipartisan manner to draft amendments to clarify things in the treaty that are unclear.
My staff attorney has told me that the CRPD puts the government in charge of the best interest of the child. This concerns me.
Not so, Senator. In the U.S., the best interest of the child is in the hands of parents. In limited circumstances, where a state court determines that a child has been abused, neglected, abandoned, or abducted unlawfully according to state law, the court can remove the child from its parent and make decisions for the child. This never happens in situations that deal only with educational matters. Again, if you have concerns, Senator, we urge you to work with colleagues in a bipartisan manner to draft amendments to clarify things in the treaty that are unclear.
I will consider it. Now, let's talk about abortion rights. The CRPD will create new abortion rights. I have heard from other constituents that this concerns them.
Senator, no, it would not create new abortion rights. The CRPD's Article 25, dealing with health, says that people with disabilities have access to health services, including reproductive programs, to the same extent people without disabilities do.
Thank you, Ms. Wright. You are obviously very knowledgeable on this topic. I appreciate hearing your point of view and will consider what we have spoken about today.
Thank you, Senator. Again, I appreciate your time and willingness to discuss the CRPD. This is an important issue for me as a citizen and voter.
Thank you, Ms. Wright. Please contact me anytime you have concerns. I need to hear from young constituents such as yourself. Have a good day.
You too, Senator.
Good morning, Senator.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. It is always a pleasure to see you. Please have a seat.
It is good to see you again too, Senator. I'm here to talk to you today about your support of the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities.
Really? Oh boy.
Yup. The CRPD.